Yeah! What's good, everybody? We're back again with another video, cooking with the official, yes sir. And what we doing? Wait. I'm not in uniform. Let me just. All right, there we go. We get a little uniform now. Anyways, we're doing something a little bit fancy. We're doing garlic crusted Parmesan chicken with some fettuccine. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. Waste no time, let's get right into it. So right now what I'm doing is cutting the cooking time for the chicken by cutting the chicken in half, less cooking, and once I'm done with that I'm going to move on to my noodles. Right now the noodle water is very boily. It doesn't look like it, but it's kind of hot. You want the water to be pre-boiled.
Pulls up, three-pointer, bang!
Cleaning time. So we're gonna use some yummy vinegar.
Stop the cap.
Seasoning, very simple. I'm gonna respectfully ask you guys just to follow the instructions, but at the same time, have fun with it. I mean, cooking is expressing yourself, so have fun. If you don't like my ingredients, go ahead, change it up. But real quick though, does anybody know what parsley tastes like? I really don't know. Once we get that done, we're gonna do coating. So 2 eggs. You can always thin it out with some milk or water. Doesn't really matter. And why are you doing stuff? This guy. And we're gonna get some Parmesan cheese. We're gonna for the outside crust. I can't measure. Alright guys, I really can't measure. I try my best, but I can't measure. So I have extra Parmesan, and I'm gonna put it on my chicken. It really doesn't matter because the Parmesan's on the crust too, so why not? And once I'm done with that, simple dip egg and then crust. Alrighty, coating. And once you're done with coating, you're gonna need a pan with a rack. And it looks like I didn't have one. Let me just work a little magic. There we go. Now we got our pan. Now we're gonna set the oven at 350, and then we're gonna throw the chicken in. Let me just throw the chicken in. Yeah. Alright, once we get there, we're gonna set the timer to cook it at between 30 to 35 minutes, depending on how big and the size of chicken you have. But it didn't take more than 30 to 35 minutes. Now straining. Now for my specialty sauce. I say specialty because I didn't know what to do. I just literally just followed what was ever on my mind. Simple ingredients. There's a lot of if you're looking for a healthy meal, this isn't it. I ain't gonna lie, this is a little high in calories. A bowl, like I said, y'all, I can't measure. Alright, so you're gonna have to eyeball it. Not supposed to be a cook. Hey, stop dancing. Yeah, focus. I didn't put more. I needed more butter, y'all. I needed more butter. God dang. nearing the end of it, y'all. I put more garlic and more Parmesan within the sauce so it can have that aged taste to it. You know, you'll know what I mean once you taste it. I put half and half in it so it'll be as thick. I sometimes don't like my pasta to be too saucy. I know some people might like the pasta to be saucy, but not me. Again, I do it for decoration at this point. I don't know what it tastes like. Can't measure, y'all. Can't measure. So we're gonna need more milk. It was still a little too thick for the noodles. You just want it good enough for the noodles to really mix into it. That's the point of all of this. And then, I smell that. Yeah, no, I smell that from here. Yeah. Ooh. And we're gonna mix our pasta into it. And then once all that's said and done, once you got all that hard work, sweat, and tears, and everything, it should be looking like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
For the red ribbon on me. Gotta keep a papa. For the red ribbon on me.
Scammer shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
I gotta keep a papa. Yeah. For the red ribbon on me. Red ribbon on me. Fly away on them bus. Yeah. Headed up the commies. Headed up the commies. I need me a bag full of senso to get me back started.